Super slow. Eyes up. Super slow. No front brake, you don't need it. Control your speed with your clutch. Eyes up, eyes up. Eyes up. Eyes up. That's it. Eyes up. Notice how you feel better when your eyes are up, right? Yeah. Well done. Well done. Shut it down. Shut it down. Pull your side stands down. Dismount your motorcycles. No, I don't. Dismount. We're going to go back the other way. Are there any questions so far? Any questions? How'd that friction zone feel? Good? Yeah? How are you actually controlling your speed? With what control?
The clutch.
With your clutch. How were you making it go in a straight line? Were you steering it in a straight line? The way you get a motorcycle to go in a straight line is you ride it in a straight line. You drive it in a straight line. So, to make yourself feel super stable, keep moving forward. Super slow and under control, but moving forward. And if you're moving too fast, squeeze your clutch in just a little. Don't go so fast. Stay away from the front brake at slow speeds, okay? Just clutch, super slow.